Hello viewers, today we are going to have a glance on laws of motion. Human beings are so curious about things around them. Things around us are related to one another. Some bodies are at rest and some are in motion. Rest and motion are interrelated terms. In the previous classes, you have learned about various types of motion such as linear motion, circular motion, oscillatory motion, and so on. So far, we have discussed the motion of bodies in terms of their displacement, velocity, and acceleration. In this unit, let us investigate the cause of motion. When a body is at rest or starts moving, a question that arises in our mind is, what causes the body to move? Similarly, when a moving object comes to rest, you would like to know what brings it to rest. If a moving object speeds up or slows down or changes its direction, what speeds up or slows down the body? What changes the direction of motion? One answer for all the above questions is force. In a common man's understanding of motion, a body needs a push or pull to move or bring to rest or change its velocity. Hence, this push or pull is called as force. Let us define force in a more scientific manner using the three laws proposed by Sir Isaac Newton. These laws help you to understand the motion of a body and also to predict the future course of its motion if you know the forces acting on it. Before Newton formulated his three laws of motion, a different perception about the force and motion of bodies prevailed. Let us first look at these ideas and then eventually learn about Newton's laws in this unit.